Meaning of illuminated.
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 Illuminated. The word illuminated refers to the act of lighting up or brightening something. It can also mean to clarify or make something clear, as in shedding light on a subject. When something is illuminated, it becomes more visible, prominent, and noticeable. It can also be used metaphorically to describe a person who is enlightened or knowledgeable about a subject. In all cases, the term illuminated implies a positive outcome, suggesting that something that was previously hidden or obscure has been made clear and understandable, resulting in greater understanding and insight.